The whole idea of No Tox Life
Wait,
is...
hang on, don't say it yet. We'll get that. The spark of No Tox Life has a little bit of backstory. I am very crafty, like crafty as in I make things, not like really clever, but although I am clever, I like to think so. I was working a office job that was really boring, and I was reading DIY blogs, and I came across, how to make soap, and I told my mom, you should make soap for Christmas.
Yeah, she thought that was a great idea. Let's make soap. Okay, let's make soap. Wait, I don't know how to make soap. I taught myself how to make soap.
And then she was also starting to learn other things and just like watching YouTube videos, reading blogs, reading scientific articles, all of it.
I mean, there was no really compelling reason to do it, so I decided I would just table that idea. And then one day I was shopping at the grocery store and I needed to buy shampoo, and I read the ingredients list and I was like, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? So I took a picture of it and I went home and I researched all of the ingredients and I was horrified. Oh, I can make something a lot better than this. And not only that, I can help other people not have to put that crud on their heads. Okay, that's it. No Tox Life. Got it. That's it. That's what we're going to be.
Yeah.
And it communicates. You're like, oh, I'm going to live a life that's not toxic. I had no idea what was in what I had been using. And the skin being the largest organ, wow. It was one of those like, wow, how come I didn't think about this before? If you are using products, you've got to trust that those products are not going to hurt you.
These are safe. My skin's not being damaged by the products that I'm using, so it just feels better.
Right. We put a lot of attention on education, and we like to educate the customer into what the ingredients are that they're using and what the ingredients are that we have, and let them know the differences. I think if you're an educated buyer, you're going to make a good decision for yourself. I'm not trying to make their decision for them. It's their life. They have to live it. But I know the more I understand about all of the ingredients that are out there, the more I feel really good and solid about my choices. I think it's important for people to have alternatives, and it's very empowering.